This video will contain the words that many of you have been wanting to hear for a while. I get to do swatches! There was a sale, and we had some points that were going to expire, so we went shopping. We kept it down to 2 items. Let's see what we got from Revolution Beauty in their Alice in Wonderland Disney collaboration. Anne found a lipstick called Mad Hatter. The packaging is very nicely done. And this lipstick is in one of my favorite shades. Nice, bright fuchsia pink. Anyone else like this color, or is it just me? And then I saw it, and I couldn't resist it. This is the Mad Hatter's eyeshadow palette. This is the Mad Hatter's hat. And when you open it up, oh my goodness, that is, Camel, are you gonna swoon? Camel, the camel has swooned. This is quite the palette. Let me go revive the camel, and then she will do some swatches. Camel, you alive down there? Oh, camel. Okay, camel is revived. So here come the swatches. Nice job in the swatching department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I like swatching almost as much as I like shopping. In taking a real quick look at the nitty-gritty, this again was Revolution times Alice in Wonderland Disney version. The Disney palette originally was $24. We got it on clearance for $9. The lipstick originally was $8. We got it on sale or clearance for $4. So after taking off the points, that covered our shipping. So we were all in for $13. You can't go wrong with that. No, you can't. Now, I know sometimes the Revolution products show up in Ulta. I had not seen this on the Ulta website, so we went ahead and paid to have it come across the pond, but our points covered that. And that palette is just amazing. And I have a thing for Alice in Wonderland years ago. Many, many years ago. Yes, many, many years ago in community theater. Must have been junior high or high school, somewhere right around in there. I was in community theater and I was Alice. So I have a thing for Alice. Anyway, with all that said, like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. Hope you can enjoy with us some lots of fun videos this year. and we hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.